Hi everybody! Today I'm driving down Route 495, the Long Island Expressway, heading towards the end of the island in a town called Montauk to see the MontaukPoint Lighthouse. There's a great campsite out there I want to go check out. On the way, we're going to stop at a roadside attraction in a town called Flanders. Alright everybody, this is our exit 71, Montauk Riverhead.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Edwards Avenue towards Hamptons Wine Trail. In 4.3 miles, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Flanders Road.
Alright, we're coming up on Flanders Road. We're going to go see the Big Duck. It's an authentic roadside attraction out on the east end of Long Island. This is the county seat of Suffolk County, which is the east end of Long Island. More New England than New York.
At the roundabout, take the third exit onto Flanders Road. In 2.2 miles, arrive at the Big Duck.
The Big Duck! Thank you for clicking on that button, everybody, and coming along for the ride. Today, we're going out to Flanders, Long Island to see the Big Duck. If you're new to my channel, please hit the button in the corner and subscribe. Hit the bell next to it so I can send you notifications upon my next upload. Thank you again. So glad you came along today. It's going to be a good day. A beautiful day. A great day to be outdoors. It's 600 feet, and there's the Big Duck on the left. We made it. Quack, quack, quack.
Arrive at the Big Duck. Arrived.
All right, we're at the Big Duck in Flanders, New York. It's a roadside attraction on the east end of Long Island. It's a good place to take a break on your way out to MontaukPoint, which is exactly what we're doing. So let's go have a look around. The Big Duck is an example of literalism in advertising. The duck is 18 feet wide by 30 feet long and 20 feet high to the top of its head. The duck's eyes are recycled Model T headlights. The interior is 11 foot by 15 foot. The wood-framed, wire mesh and concrete building was made in the shape of a duck to sell ducks and duck eggs. The duck was originally built by Martin Maurer in 1930. He was a duck farmer in Riverhead, a nearby town. It was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1997 and is located at the Big Duck Ranch, which is also listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 2008. If you're traveling from the city to MontaukPoint, this is an ideal spot to take a picnic lunch. They've provided a few picnic tables and plenty of room to spread out on the grass, stretch your legs on your long journey out to the point. Duck was originally built on Main Street in Riverhead. Then he moved it to his duck ranch in Flanders, till it was moved to its current location by the County of Suffolk in 1988. Buildings like these are classified as novelty buildings. However, in architecture, the term duck is used to describe buildings that are in the shape of everyday items to which they relate. Any building that is shaped like its product is known as a duck. Alright, well that's the Big Duck. Hope you enjoyed it. Just a quick one. Should only be a few minutes long. We're in Flanders, New York. We're out here to visit the Big Duck. It's a roadside attraction. Built a long time ago. I'll input some of the information. We're on our way out to MontaukPoint to the lighthouse. This is a good halfway point to stretch your legs, hang out a couple of minutes. Alright. We're getting back into the car. We're out of here. May I have directions to MontaukPoint, please?
Getting directions to Montauk Lighthouse. Starting route to Montauk Lighthouse. Proceed to Flanders Road, then make a sharp left turn.
Here we go, MontaukPoint, next stop. So long, Duck.
In 5 miles, keep right to merge onto NY 27 East.
Route 27 East, that's where we're going.